how to hide WhatsApp notification on home screen. So if you want to hide WhatsApp notification or WhatsApp message notification on your home screen, what you need to do is first, you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After opening, go with the three dots which will be on the top right and go with settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and you will get notifications option. Tap on notifications and you can turn off the notifications. Go with the three dots which will be in the top right and then tap on reset notification settings and it will reset your settings. Or the next thing you can do is tap and hold on to your WhatsApp and then tap on the app info. After that, go with notifications and here you need to turn off the notifications and it will turn off all of the notifications. Once you've done that, scroll down, go with additional settings in the app and turn off all of these notifications like conversation tones, reminders, messages. Make sure everything is turned off. And this will hide your WhatsApp notifications, or this will disable your WhatsApp notifications on your home screen. It won't show any notifications from WhatsApp. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.